Hello YouTube, how are we doing and how is our trading week? I believe it was great. Well guys, welcome to another checking charts. You know what we do here on checking charts, okay? I go through trades that I took this week and also I try to forecast my next, movement for GBP and previously I've not been posting for a while now due to some personal reasons, both on my Instagram and other social media handles. I've not been posting that much, but hopefully this week I'm going to be back fully. And without further ado, let's go into my chart and let's see what's happening right there. Peace out, guys. And yes, my people, welcome to my screen. Okay. It's good to have you guys here. So quickly, right now, currently I'm on the tower time frame, and why did I take this trade? All right, so let's go over to the daily time frame and let's see what's happening there. For those of you that don't know, right now I'm using my tab to do most of my trainings now. So I am using it just because it's kind of very much convenient more than laptop. Okay, so I'm using my mobile phone and my tablet for trading as of now. So by the grace of God, I'm hoping to upgrade the tab. Okay, so I'm using the tab for trading. So trading, you really don't need much, plenty things, those big setup. You don't need those kind of things. Once you have, just a good laptop, you're good to go. I do not recommend phone for those that are just starting out. Okay, but it's going to be like confusing because you need, to see the big picture of what's happening. So just using a phone is going to be very, very confusing. I'm using a tab. Is still, very, very much efficient. Okay, and it can do the job of a laptop. Yeah, back to the chart. On the daily time frame, we have been rallying up, pushing up and up. Okay, so sorry. So we've been making, higher high and higher low. Okay, you can see, although we did not break this high, but you can see that price pushed up and bounced again, pushed up, bounced again, and now price is, still pushing up, and we don't know when it's going to start retracing. Okay, we don't know when it will start, acting off from the premium level that it is right now. Okay, so but why did I take this buy even though we are in premium? I took this buy because I just really don't care that much what the daily time frame is doing. I basically take my trade off of the 2 hour time frame. That's what I do. But I use the daily time frame most of the time to just check, what the market is doing in a higher time frame, so I will not just be lost entirely. Okay, the market can still come reverse, whatsoever. I really don't care. So on the 2 hour time frame, you can see that we are breaking structures to the upside. We had break of structure here, and we have another one here. So I was working with this recent break of structure. Alright, so let me quickly delete this. Now, for those of you that don't know, this is Fibonacci tool. Okay, this is a Fib tool that I use for measuring the wave of the market. So currently, I was using this range from this swing low to this swing high. Okay, I use Fibonacci a lot. I use it a lot. So I wanted a bounce from any of my discounted level, and I also added this 38.2 level because I have noticed price always move from there. So as I saw price bouncing, so as price was bouncing off this 15% level, I was very patient enough to get this bullish candle. So when I saw this bullish candle, I placed a buy stop order above this week right here, and price came, tagged me in, and ever since then price has been dancing and dancing. Okay, so currently we are still at kind of break even. Okay, we are still in entry. Okay, but do I know if this price is going to keep on buying? I really do not know. Do I know if it's going to fail? I really do not know. But to be honest with you guys, I'm beginning to lose hope on this trade, but I still really do not care because I'm following my rules, I'm following my plan. When my strategy says do this, I'm going to do it regardless of whatsoever the market is doing. Okay, but I still believe we are going to keep on pushing because on the daily time frame we are so bullish. I believe we are still going to keep on pushing. You can see how our cloud EMA is very much green, and is flowing very well with the market. I still believe you are still going to at least keep pushing higher then before we can start seeing that reversal. Even if we see that reversal next week, fine, I could just take the SL and maybe change my bias. Okay, so that is that for that. So what am I looking out for next week? All right, so let's say this trade is going in our favor. I just want to be seeing price taking out highs. Okay, I want to see higher highs, higher low being created. That will give me confidence that yes, we are going to win this trade. If we can take out this high, all right, and kind of print another higher low, I can still look for another entry, okay, to keep on taking the market higher. Okay, if we want to keep on buying, that's what I'm going to do. Okay, but if we're not able to continue in that bullish trend, then maybe if we can take out this higher low right here, then I can wait for my cloud EMA. That if we take out this low, I'm going to wait for my cloud EMA as well to shift bullish, okay, from green to red. All right, so after that, then I'm going to wait for any candlestick, good candlestick pattern that I get. Then I'm going to take the price down. I'm going to keep on selling till we get to a discounted level. Let's go back to the daily time frame and let's go and draw that range. Yes, you guys know I love using my Fibonacci a lot to draw my range from swing low here to swing high. And you guys should know that there's no perfect way of drawing this. Just know what you are doing. That's just it. Okay, because a lot of you now will be like, how are you doing this? How are you doing this? There's no perfect way at all. There's no perfect way. Just do it. Okay. So if we can be able to take out this low, which I'm still like anticipating, because the tree is not looking clean. So if I take out this low, then I can keep looking for selling opportunity so we get to a discounted level. Okay, so that is what I'm just like looking out for. But if peradventure we keep on breaking structures to the upside, then I can decide to add more positions to the ones that I have, and I'm going to go break even as soon as we get to 1:1.5. So guys, that is all my chart. Okay, and I'm going to see you on the other side. Peace out, guys. And yes, guys, this is the end of checking charts. Okay, I believe we learned something today. Okay, so this is the end, and you can see that this period the price has not been great at all. Okay, so the wars and every other thing, the news and every other thing is just messing with the market. Okay, so maybe hopefully we can be able to get some opportunities, get first payout and all that. And also keep in mind I'm still trading $100,000 account I got from Gold from the traders. Currently I'm still in phase 1 and I took this trade. Okay, I said I'm going to also kind of document that here on YouTube, so maybe if I pass it I can come and talk about it, trades that I took, and how I was feeling inside the trade. Okay, so without much talk, without much ranting, okay, I'm going to see you guys next week. Okay, if this is the first time coming across this channel, do have to like, share and subscribe. Help us to get to thousands of people out there, and I'm going to see you on the next one. Peace out, guys.